Hey, Ned. Hey, okay. So, today is the day. And you, like, disappeared last night. I was just talking and talking, and you just, disappeared. I don't know what happened to you. But, so, I have something to tell you today. It's really important. Chick-fil-A is closed. So, the cows got a break from, break free from the chickens. I don't know. I hope you understand that. But, anywho. So, I got a karaoke machine today too, so I can be a rapper now, rap, I'm a rapper. So, anywho, hey, I'm smart. So, I hope you had a happy Merry Christmas, and I hope you made your New Year's revolution. It looks like great. So, your favorite 304 was just checking in with you. Hope you got that too. Thank you for calling me that, hey, I love you too. I'm sure me and, girl, we be to support your name calling of us. We love you too. Me and my girl Ula Renee Shay, we're best friends. We go way back. And so, oh yeah, you back in the texting now too. Text or call me. I have so much to tell you. So, toodles. Happy Merry Christmas. And by the way, make sure you text Taylor saying hey. Alright, toodles, bye.